Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add an intro video to your YouTube channel. Follow these steps carefully to set it up. To begin, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Sign into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on your channel. This will take you to your channel's main page. On your channel page, click on Customize Channel. This will open the YouTube Studio interface. In YouTube Studio, you will see several tabs at the top. Select the Home tab. Under the Home tab, scroll down until you see the section Layout. Now tap on Add Section. When you click on it, a new section will open. Select on Channel Trailer. A new window will open, allowing you to select a video from your uploaded content. If you already have your intro video uploaded to YouTube, you can select it from the list. This is how you add an intro video to your YouTube channel. Make sure to use an intro that reflects your channel's theme and style to make a good impression on viewers. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this tutorial.